Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to adjust opacity of overlay of background image in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, I am into Elementor in my WordPress website. Here I am creating a new web page on my website and using Elementor. Now to create a new container, we can simply click on plus icon displayed in middle of the screen. So I have clicked on this, and here it is asking us about the layout, whether I want flexbox or grid. So I'm going to select the flexbox, and in the structure I'm going to select the direction column. Okay, so we have added container, but right now it is vacant. We can simply click on edit container option just above the container, the 6 dots, and in the left side toolbar we can simply adjust the height of this container in the layout settings, right? And now we are going to the style settings, and here we are going to the background setting. We have selected the normal background, and in the background type we are going to select the classic, choose image. Okay, I have selected an image from media library. You can also upload a new file using upload files option. I have selected it, and here you can simply change the position to the custom and then decrease Y position little bit to adjust the image if it is required. And in the background overlay settings, right now I am, and here I have selected normal, and in the background type I am going to select the classic, and here I am going to select an image, choose image, and from media library I can simply select the another image. So I have selected this and clicked on select. Okay, so it is getting repeated, and in the display size I am going to select the cover. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the position of this image to custom and decrease Y a little bit so that image can come upward. Okay, now I can simply change the opacity, the transparency of this image, right? So the background overlay opacity would be increased and decreased in such manner. So this is how you can adjust the opacity level of any overlay on your background image in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.